This was supposed to be just a simple little staircase makeover, like just take some tired old stairs and just make them look nicer. Well, this kind of snowballed. Walls went missing, ceiling got raised, lights changed, flooring changed. This actually used to be a closet, but now it's going to be cubby storage. I'm Anna, and let me show you what we're starting with. Blank canvas is the phrase that comes to mind. We've been calling this the Ford project. It's a house that needs some design love before being put on the real estate market. And now let me show you my inspiration for this space. I want this to be practical but still cozy cute. Incorporating storage is important, so I'm thinking cubbies, baskets, and coat hooks. The walls are alabaster, and the accent color is urbane bronze. Trim is untinted white trim paint by Behr. This is what urbane bronze looks like on a wall. It's a warm grayish brown. It's my new favorite dark paint. The cubby bench was framed with 2x4s and covered in drywall. Additional cubby storage was built into the wall, including plumbing access for the upstairs bathroom. We didn't do any of the construction here. I was responsible for design and finishing touches. The stairs also got a full makeover, and you can see that in the video linked below. Progress! The floor is installed, the drywall is up, and it's been mudded. That's not a pole, it's paper floor protector that I didn't move out of the way before recording. Pot lights were added under the stairs, and it's starting to look like somewhere that I would want to curl up with some knitting or a book. The smallest square is where the plumbing access panel will be. The other cubbies are extra storage. Although the stairs still look terrible, it is coming together. Really, that brown paint was depressing. Sanding is a tedious, messy job that takes way too long, but makes such a difference to the end result. This was on Paul's to-do list, and he's great at it. Another really important but horrible step is priming. And here's my mom to the rescue. She actually likes painting, and we got to hang out. I'm packing up and getting ready to leave for the Ford project, and today's a big day. Today I get to paint with urbane bronze, so kind of excited about that. So just a little short car trip away, and you'll see me painting. The floor has been covered by that roll of paper that was previously in the middle of the video, and the cubbies have been primed. I'm using a shorty brush to fit into the tight cubby space, but then a long-handled mini roller so I don't have to stretch inside as much. Trying to find ways to make these jobs easier on myself because this is going to take a few coats. This first pass of urbane bronze kind of looks worse than the stair color, but it will get much, much better. See? Look how rich and modern this brown is. It's so, so nice. It's been 2 days since I painted the cubbies, and there has been some progress, so let me show you. Pot lights are in, trimmer on the stairs is done, trim detail has been added to the back wall, and as a seat for the cubbies, the same countertop that was installed in the kitchen has been installed here as well. Not only is this durable, it also ties the two spaces together. But we're not done yet. I'm really big on super crisp lines, and I will take the time and extra steps to get that perfect finish. Ralph installed coat hooks, and we went with matte black to match the rest of the hardware in the house. The hooks are a modern take on a classic hook design. Unfortunately, the cute cubby baskets I picked didn't fit because the contractor framed the holes the exact size of the baskets before the drywall was added. They didn't take into account the 1/2-inch drywall on each side, so to plan B, smaller baskets. Where the floor meets the cubbies looked unfinished to me. I painted a piece of quarter round in urbane bronze and nailed it in. Much better. I did cover and paint the nail holes. I also caulked around all the trim detail on the wall, Even though this isn't my house, I still want it as perfect as I can. A bit of cleaning before styling. What a transformation! This was just a hallway. It was dark and had zero personality. Now it's my favorite part of the house. This hallway is pretty and practical, and this overhaul definitely adds value to the home. I hope the new homeowners love it. And if you love this project, give the video a thumbs up. We have one more video coming out about the Ford project. It's the whole project, start to finish, including a complete kitchen makeover. To be notified when that comes out, subscribe and click the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon with another project. Bye! But I need the camera. If you're gonna see me painting, I need to take the camera. So here we go. Ah!